Hello everyone, I am Sahil Chawla, the international representative for Keyano College. Keyano is a public college located in Fort McMurray in northern Alberta. We exist since 1965 and offer a range of programs to international students ranging from business diplomas, environment technology, early learning, social work, and also certificate programs for international students. We are a public college with one of the lowest tuition fee in Canada, and most of our programs are available without mathematics to international students. Canam, everybody's heard the name. They are one of our most trusted and recognized partner at Keyano College. They've been helping students come to Canada for decades now. Their team is very well versed with the application processes, admission requirements, and also help students with regard to study permit applications as well. I'll be attending their fairs from 5th of April to 20th of April. So please book your appointments at desk number 99 with your Canam counselors. We'll be more than happy to assist you. Please choose a date and time slot that is convenient to you and book your appointments. Look forward to seeing you in the fairs and helping you fulfill your aspirations and dreams. Thank you so much.